Awiye godette bashitani, mikanya ke binte bashitani. Mikanya ke binte bashitani. Oh, wayo, imbi. Awiye go jette rasitani, go matu ke binte bashitani. Awiye go jette rasitani, go matu ke binte bashitani. Awigo, mataga machu ziru godile, anenyun kaba, awisi male. Mataga machu ziru godile, anenyun kaba, awisi male. Mataga machu ziru godile, anenyun kaba, awiko male. Mataga machu ziru godile, anenyun kaba, awiko male. Afijirenya, no alivko, awiko male. Fire, ziru godile, mataga machu ziru godile. Howie, say this. Please, don't be shy, Howie. Why are you shy? Please don't be shy. Moti know English? What Moti said earlier about the weather?
About the weather.
What's the weather?
We will know when he come here. He talk about the weather. Yes, he said what he said. The weather is what he said.
The weather is.
La guys, when she devna achi inko rajechuf moti nakas yede koi anisani tanagarsis hodo akas kan.
The weather is cold.
Baye ko red moti dala ingili fani timu enggak. Ela ingili fani timu berbade hawi the weather is
Baye ko rajechu. Killensi baye bade rajechu.
the weather is Moti, Howie, what he said? Like he said, you have to ship, you have to kill the sheep. Yes. Yes. Then how you tell her? And then I come to the Moti.
We kill the sheep.
Yes.
The what?
You want to kill the sheep.
Okay.
Kill the sheep.
I mean, I can go to the tip. And I chisi kaba, rachina chisi kaba, malmal zete.
I have this road.
Okay.
Rache this road.
Okay.
You kill it.
The sheep.
That's how we did that. That's how we did that. How we did that. How we did that.
How we kill the sheep. I'm gonna show to everyone.
You share that.
You have video.
Yes.
Of course, that's perfect.
I'm gonna show to everyone. You kill the sheep.
No, I don't kill the sheep.
You kill.
It's video. You have video.
Indirectly kill that.
Indirectly kill. Indirectly kill that.
You did that.
How we sing the Madaga Machuji Kodile.
Okay.
Madaga Machu, Ziruko Dile.
Rachu Simade. How we? Let's try by your brother. Rachu Simade. Rachu Simade. Yeah.
Okay. Ash, what about one the song you learned from there? The song I learned this song you said you tell me last week when we came. Where you say that? Awatin jeda. Fikriye sa jedun bekti baranta. Koi suatable. Once more, ish ati waye tani. You start, he say waye. Kazan ati mo echuda. Ati mo ደብስቴ ፍቅርዬ ታኒ እሺኒሞ ወይ ፈርስት ታዊ
ወይ
እኒና በክሰላ
he said that I am the one who explained this. Yes. There are two lovers. Yes. She said, my love. Fikriye means my love. Yes. Yeah. Then he said, after he said, way, bye. After he say way by love, just a yes. It means much love. You say? So he say yes by love. Way means love. Yes, you got it. Yes. Then you say him. You call him. Fikriye way. Then you say what? And Fikriye yani alam means my world. My world. It's also love.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay.
Okay.
It's a love song.
It's a love song. Yes. Two lovers. Moti la gafashin one ma farfatu fakata gafashin fikriye tuni alamu masal waye shashamaji tabakata gafashin fikriye tuni waye sirmakin Katalama, Abigolam Nambali, Nambarama, Katalama, Katalama, Abigolam Nambali,
Yes, very good accent.
Thank you.
I appreciate it.
Oh, yeah, baboleo. Oh, yeah, baboleo. Oh, yeah, baboleo. Oh, yeah, baboleo. It's okay. It's okay, huh? It's okay. Hari puasi lala jo PlayStation. Mo puasi lala jo. Jadi moti bas kali. Moti ko. Jawab to korbe ko. Moti. No problem. I can hold it. Okay. No problem.
Can I hold it?
Let's go. I can hold it. No, you have to be on the. Let's go, Moti. Oh, yeah, baboleo. Oh, yeah, baboleo. Oh, yeah, baboleo. Shango. Oh, yeah, baboleo. 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 Ababole.
You say Ababole?
No, it's not. It's not. You say, "Are you enjoy?" No, you don't have to say.
Enjoy?
Are you enjoying?
Yes, very. Are you enjoying?
Enjoying.
Are you? I'm what?
Yeah.
Ega tole. Bililleen uf banaa spiikariin qabnu bar wancii jirra baay'isoo achumarraa nu banish spiikariin qabnu malee qaata